What are you doing, Xander? Are you cleaning up the act around here? Whoa, be careful now. I hope this is not a glimpse into your future. Janitor man, Sandman. Crazy little guy. Hey, Xander. Hey, look up here. Buddy. Hey. Hey, what's up, bud? What are you doing, Xander? Hey, you want to give Daddy a high five? No? Here, give Daddy a high five. No! Spell little guy. Hey, wait, what are you doing? No. What's going on? Mio.
Xander.
Bye, buddy. Hey, Xander, say bye. Xander. Xander.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Xander.
Bye-bye.
Buddy. Xander. Xander. Come on, buddy. Hey. Alright. See you later, Xander. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you, little guy.